Hey, what's up, tubers? I got another video when it comes to the On 4K Pro box that you can get from Walmart right now if it's in your area for 50 bucks. Now, today's video is, you know how the box gives you only 10 100s. Let me show you an image right now. It gives you a 10 100. But guys, did you know you can use an USB 3.0 hub with a Gigabyte Ethernet port to actually extend the speed that's coming to this device? Instead of it being 10 100, it will become 10 100 1000, which means if you have, higher speeds over 100, you will see them when you run a speed test using the internet speed test all the way over to your left hand side. Now, there's a device that you will need, right? There is a USB hub 3.0 with a gigabyte adapter. So, and you see it right there in your screen. All right. This is a hub, as you see right here. So you can hook up a keyboard, a flash drive, anything that's pretty much USB and take care of it. Also, you see it right here, my finger, where you see me tapping. It does need a Type C power, a cord to power the unit, just like this. This is a Type C, so it can run some of those other devices, all right, such as a keyboard or a flash drive, something like that. All right, but here it is. I'm about to do an Ethernet speed test on this device. I'm looking at it right now. You see it on your screen. Let's highlight it, and I'm gonna show you the difference. Let me take this down just a little bit. All right, so you can see it. All right, notice at the top where it says in the middle you can stream. Everything is on red. I want you to pay attention because right now I have this device hooked up um, through a network switch. Okay, it's hooked up through a network switch. All right, so let's run a speed test, and then afterwards I'm going to plug this up to it using the open USB slot. All right, so here we go. And the thing about it, this device currently is what? A 10 100s. All right, so as you see, it's giving me 97.59 on the download, and they're going to give me about 22, 23 on the upload. All right, somewhere around there. And so again, if you look at the top in the middle, it says you can stream standard definition, high definition, 4K, but you see it's kind of on the yellow side, the iffy side on the 8K. All right, so what I'm going to do is unplug, right? You're going to see it in the top right-hand corner. I'm going to unplug this right now. I got the Ethernet cord right in my hand. And I'm going to make this a larger. You'll see that it says it's going to be disconnected. All right, it says network connection lost at the top right-hand corner. So I'm going to plug this into the Gigabyte USB hub, right? As you see right here. And I'm going to power it up using a Type C. Simple as that. And you can get this hub off of Amazon. You can go to Micro Center, wherever you want to go. But I'm going to power this bad boy up. So it's like this. And let me show you this, because this is where you're going to have to hook it up at. All right. Let me go back to the picture. You see that open USB slot, that blue USB insert right there is right there. It's the second option from the left. All right, that's the USB. So it's in between the power and the HDMI output. It's blue. You see it on your screen right there. We're going to plug that into this box right now. Okay, and you'll see it right here. And then we should get some type of notification in the top right hand corner saying that the network has been restored. Just give it a second. There it is, connected to internet. So now I'm going to take the remote and I'm going to hit this start again. And now, since this right here, guys, since this Ethernet port, this built-in Ethernet port is only 10 100s, again, meaning it cannot go past 100, it will now go past 100. And so how much? I'm paying for 500. So I'm going to get anywhere between 300 and 400 on the download. If you paying for a gig, you probably going to get anywhere between 8 and 9 and some change. So you're going to get the speed to this device. Let's run a speed test. Start again. All right, here we go. Look at that. It's well over 100, right? Look at that. 350, 60, 70, almost 400. Look at that. Almost 400 on the download speed. Remember, it was only giving me like 90, the high 98s and some change. And the upload is going to be the same. But again, look at the top middle where it says you can stream. SD green, HD green, 4K green, and now 8K is green. All right. And so again, it's as simple as that, guys. Go on Amazon. This is what you want to search. USB 3.0 hub with Gigabyte Ethernet port. Also in the description, when you find one, it may say 10, 100, 1000. All right, that's what you want, that 1000. So again, let me tell you again what you're going to have to do. Please go to Amazon and go into the search, type USB 3.0 hub with Gigabyte Ethernet port. That's all you have to type. You should get a list of them. Pretty much all of them going to work the same. Only thing you want to do is make sure you get like a gig. So if you're paying for speeds over 100, you should see it when you plug it up USB to this device right here, this amazing device that's called the 4K Pro. All right, the On 4K Pro. So guys, if you like this video, do me a favor, thumbs it up. Individuals, if you are not subscribed to me, definitely click on that subscribe button and select all. Guys, it's on and popping. I'm releasing these videos like crazy on this device. I'm pretty much the only one that really has this device as far as content creators. I hope to hear from you soon. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you need anything answered, leave them in the comments. Also, everything else will be in the description of this video. Big salute to y'all. Thank you again. And I will see you on the next one, guys. Peace. I am out. Superdell.